Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Optimum TV account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Optimum TV Login. After you make search, you'll find sign in to manage your services on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your Optimum ID and your password. In case you forgot your Optimum ID, then you can click here. And if you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.